My name's David. I got my nightgown and my Flex Fit Fox, because I'm native. This is 2011 Sunday. Gary Young signature. We got a Chromoly frame, 27.5. We got a G-Sport hub, ratchet, and a hazard light laced to a hazard light. Odyssey 12 bolts cranks. They fucking suck. They get loose every single 5 minutes. We got a KMC chain. They're like $2 at Walmart. Sunday chain sprocket wheel. We got a stock fit stem in the El Clot pedals. Female hubs. Odyssey Vendor 2. Laced to a Odyssey hazard light, very light. Then we got these Sunday Victory 8.35s to a we got Chateau grips in clear, but they kind of look brown right now because I fall, I eat shit. Odyssey Aiken front tire 2.25, 20.25. Then a Odyssey heavy as shit. It's just Odyssey Path, I guess. That's about it. I got stock bearings, and that's about it. Thanks for watching, man.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.